got to Jody's house, you guys, and we brought the birds to come get groomed. There's Chris.
Hey.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'll show everyone how much you love me. Mwah.
You're a bird.
Did you guys catch that?
That's
the
bird fighting. You're a bird fighting for the kiss.
I know, he's always trying to steal my kisses and Chris's kisses. All right, you guys, we're going to go inside, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh my God, you guys, you could hear all the birds. I'm excited. So is Rio. Hopefully he don't fly off on me. Oh my God, there's so many birds. Oh my God, look at all the birds. All right, you guys, so I'm about to show you these birds because they are amazing. Oh my God. I just can't ever help myself. Every time I come, I seriously want to leave with 3, 4, 5. All right, you guys, let me show you. Okay, so we got a cockatoo right here. Look at her. She's so pretty. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, and then we have a ringneck, which is actually the bird that I want. Well, one of them, right? We do not have a ringneck in our collection. Here's another one. Look at this pretty birdie. Oh, he's an angry birdie. Come on. Oh, you're so mean. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay, so then we got some, like, I don't know what these are. Lovebirds. They're cute. Oh, we got some cockatiels here. And another one here. They are not friendly. Those cockatiels, they're just mean birds. Here's that's cockatoo. How you doing, honey? Okay, we got another one here. Oh, this is a pretty cockatoo. How you doing, honey? Sweetie. Her name is Sweetie, and she is adoptable. Oh, look at her. She is the sweetest. How you doing, honey? Oh, how you doing? So pretty. Here we have a conure. His name is Unfurb. I'm visiting till October 25th. Hey, Furb. We have some more cockatiels here, you guys. Some more cockatiels. Ooh, this one's pretty. That is a pretty cockatiel. Oh my God, look at that one, you guys. That is pretty. Oh, there you go. Hold on. Let me get in there. Pretty. Oh, look at this one. This little yellow one. Here we got this one. This one's pretty colored too. That one's like beak is missing. And then we got Pumpkin. Oh, Pumpkin's a favorite. Uh-oh. Pumpkin. Who is this? This is Murray. I'm up for adoption. Hey, Murray. Want to say hi? Say hi to everyone. Hi. Are you a nice birdie? Oh, you're a sweet birdie, aren't you? Come here. Come here. This is not adoptable. This is Sky. Sky. How you doing, honey? How you doing? Oh, Sky's a sweetheart. Look at her. Oh, she's so sweet. Hey, Sky. Then we got... Who's that? How you doing, huh? Look at you, all pretty with your yellow feathers up on top. Oh, yeah, I think you've been plucking, haven't you? You know, it's not good to pluck, honey. We have another cockatiel. This is, hi, my name is Beaker. Oh, we got two. And then this is Edna, you guys. Her name is Edna. Edna is not a nice Quaker. She is feisty. Look at that. And then we got an Amazon. Amazons are my favorite, you guys. They're mean. They're really mean. But, you know, they remind me of Kush. We have an Amazon at home. Look at how pretty they are, though. I just love them. Oh, this one's swinging on the swing set right there. How you doing, honey? You want to step up? You want to come step up? This is Pico. And then we got this conure here, you guys. Beautiful conure. Look at her. And then we got a macaw. How you doing, huh? Let's see, let me get a good angle of him. How you doing? Can I touch the feet? Can I touch your feet? No? All right. We got Timmy. Timmy. How you doing, Timmy? Timmy. Hey, Timmy. Then we got another macaw here. This macaw is not friendly at all. But you know, you could always work with them and love them. And if they bond with the right person, they'll be great birds, great pets. That's a loud macaw. That's a very loud macaw. Who do we have here? Is this Dribbles? Hi. 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 Oh, look, she grabbed my phone. Hello, can I have my phone back, please? Can I have my phone back? Can I have my phone? How you doing? Like she's trying to reach out to me, you guys. Can I see the toes? Oh, how you doing, huh? You guys, look, she's holding on. Oh, you're so pretty. Can I have my finger back? Can I have my finger back? Oh, can I have my finger back, you guys? Come on, give me a kiss. Ooh, I like the kisses. All right, give me my fingers. Who else do we have, you guys? We have Lady. She will bite. Lady's a biter, you guys. How you doing, honey? And then we got a naked macaw. How you doing, naked macaw? Oh, naked macaw don't like to be touched. Who do we have here? Who's this? What's your name, huh? Are you Dribbles? Hi. Oh, this is a pretty cockatoo. This is a pretty cockatoo. Oh, look at the pretty cockatoo. How you doing, honey? Oh my God, you're so cute. Look, you guys. Oh, you're such a pretty birdie. Oh, you're such a pretty birdie. You're such a pretty birdie. You're such a pretty. Oh my God. All right, y'all. So this is one part of Fallen Feathers. This is part of her refuge. So I just showed you the exotic birds. I'm gonna show you all the pigeons she has, and then like an emu. She's got way more in the backyard, you guys. So stay tuned. So you guys, right now Jody is grooming the birds, our birds. So what I'm gonna do is help her out by cleaning out all the water bowls. They look fat, so they're good with food, but I am going to change out their water, okay, you guys, because I'm such a good human being. All right, I'll be back. What you doing, Chris?
I am changing out water, but I don't know how they have this hooked up.
We got all the water bowls here, you guys, and Chris is cleaning out. We're helping out because guess what? What are we going to do, Chris?
We're gonna bring home Timmy.
Timmy, which is who? Which is what?
He is a, what'd she say? A gala cockatoo.
Cockatoo. Yes, you guys. So we can't bring her.
Put your head down. And my dribbles. And my dribbles. Oh.
All right, you guys, so now we are in like the hospital room for birds, whatever this is, but this is where like the wild birds come and they get rehabilitated. I'm gonna show you this right now, okay? Hold up. So these are some of the birds. I think the one that I like is the coolest is this scarecrow. This is a scarecrow will bite. And then you got another one here. Pretty bird. And you got a bunch of pigeons. Like it's just, and there's a quail. She's tamed. We got more pigeons. So right now, what we're doing is clean the cages. More wild birds. So we're helping clean the cages, you guys, and you know, we gotta help out because we're about to adopt a bird, you guys. So we gotta clean all these cages, and we're cleaning the water and the food. So we'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys some of the owls that she has. They are beautiful. Look at this one. I call this one Midget because he looks like a midget. Look at you. What you doing, bro? Just staring at me. There's a second one over there. And then she's got a falcon here. And she got a bunny. She's got a cute little bunny, you guys. This is a pigeon. Obviously, there's a ton of pigeons. You guys,
What's up, guys?
we are in the backyard where she has all the wildlife animals, the big ones. And so we're going to go around, show you here. We got
Oh, there's a goat.
there's a goat. So we'll go around showing you guys, all right? This is Fallen Feathers. And don't forget, you guys, you got to subscribe and like our video now. Okay. I know, that's an angry one. I know, it's scary looking. It's a big old L. Is it fanning its
Yeah,
wings?
it's fluffed out. It's trying to be bigger and intimidate you.
Yeah. Look at those eyes. They're so pretty. Pretty owl.
Hey, Mr. Billy Goat. Oh, you're a sheep. I'm just gonna go around.
Look at Timmy. We got a goat here, you guys. Got the goat. How you doing, goat?
Difference. Usually don't have to pull up.
How you doing? Okay. There's a hawk, you guys. Timmy! That's
I almost want to keep that.
Timmy, because he kind of looks like a Timmy.
Look at those. Timmy. Timmy. Timmy.
And as you walk, they follow you. It's so creepy. Oh, yeah. She changed it up back here.
Yeah, they moved a bunch of stuff. There's another one.
Is this another owl?
Yeah. Oh, okay. There's Wild Kingdom going on right there.
What the hell?
Did you take off with it?
No, it's still right there.
It's still alive.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It was just kicking.
It's done. Like, the head is severed. I think. It's all bloody.
He's beautiful.
What is this? This is an eagle, huh?
Yeah.
There's just a dead bird. The head's gone. The head is somewhere. Or is the head still there?
Ooh, nope, the head's gone.
Yeah.
Need the fucking head off.
Beheaded that bitch.
And then flew off with his head.
There's an emu. Emu.
I thought you should have Timmy. A big mean emu.
This is a condor, huh? Pretty birdie. I like this bird. Let's get one. Which vulture?
Eagle or
Oh, that's pretty.
yeah.
That's a big ass bird.
Yeah.
There's more owls, you guys.
You're looking at my Timmy like that.
I'm gonna pack you up. Ooh, look at that pigeon. Lots of pigeons here, you guys. Lots of pigeons. Lots of pigeons. How you doing, buddy?
Oh,
Oh wow.
He's pretty.
That one's pretty too. Look at the forehead. All right, let's get out of here before they dive bomb.
This is a macaw.
Before they dive bomb Timmy.
Oh, there's another one in there.
Oh, they get along, huh?
Yeah. So I wonder if he's wild or.
Is that Raven? Or the one? No.
No.
I think it's got a broken wing.
Edgar's over there.
Edgar. I wonder how they get in there.
Oh, yes, to build. Toys.
No shit. There's just a headless pigeon. Ew.
Right back at you. I like this. I think Edgar's over there.
Oh, it's so soft. There it is. There's Edgar.
Edgar the Raven. So I guess those other two are ravens, huh?
He's got ducks.
That's guys. It always freaks me out that they're loose.
Oh, there's a ton of them. You guys, so we just left Fallen Feathers, and well, I fell in love with the bird. You guys, I just can't help it. Each time we go, we fall in love with the bird, and we bring one home.
Every time.
Except that this time we're not bringing Timmy home yet. We have to go a couple of more times, hang out with him, bond with the bird. But little Timmy is a what is it?
Gala
cockatoo, and it's a medium-sized cockatoo, you guys. It's white, pink, yellow. It's a beautiful bird. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys. So that brings the total to 8 birds. We have 8 birds, you guys, or we're gonna have 8 birds.
Timmy.
This is Timmy. So Timmy will be coming home hopefully by next week. And yeah, you guys, pretty soon we're gonna have to upgrade our house. We need a bigger house for sure, because I want an aviary. Oh, you guys.
Luckily, you know a good realtor.
I sure do. Hey, he's hot too. Give me your number, bitch.
480-758-2233. Call me.
This is the Gaze Buckeye, and adios.